Hi guys, welcome to Pokedoodle.
What are we drawing today?
Charmander! I went for a microphone, but I don't know what happened to the legs.
Yours looks really good, although that one's been removed. Don't forget to
like and subscribe, comment down below, and give us a huge thumbs up.
And don't forget to slow down the video if you need to. See you in there.
See you in there.
Right guys, so I'm going to start off with the eyes like usual. So I'm going to start towards the top bit of the page, and then the right eye is going to be just off the right side of the page, but close to the centre. So we're going to start with a little bit of an eyebrow, kind of indent there, and then I'm going to do his eye. So his eye comes up, and then it curls around just like that, like half an oval, and then we're going to draw a line across there. And then I'm going to draw his pupil just like that at the top. And then I'm going to leave a gap, and then towards this side of the page here, I'm going to draw his other eye. So I kind of want to do something similar.
My head.
You're going to do the head next.
I forgot the eyebrows.
So I think, yeah, I'm going to do his eyebrow first. Just there, leaving a gap. And then underneath that, I'm going to draw his eye. So it's going to curl around just like that. And it's going to be on the edge of his head. So it's going to curl around and then be just like that. And then I'm going to draw his other pupil just
This one looks
here.
like a human.
And then I'm going to draw next, I think I'm going to draw his nose and his mouth. He's kind of got a big lizardy grin, doesn't he? So it's going to curl just underneath the middle of his eye there, and then we're going to bring it just to the middle of the other eye, just there. So it's going to curl all the way around, just like that. And then I'm going to draw his head.
I thought Charmander have ears.
No, he doesn't.
Well, it looks
And then we're going to do
different.
the head just like this. I think mine's going to be too big though.
I don't care.
And curl around.
As long as it looks good.
There you go.
It always looks good, even as you make a mistake.
It does, exactly.
Oh.
And now I'm going to draw
That
his...
one looks hilarious.
I'm going to draw his...
Goofy one.
There you go. Mine does it. I think mine looks kind of more like Squirtle. I think his head's too round. Oh well. Right, and
My head is too square.
I'm going to draw his arms now. So going to bring his arm down, and then going to do a thumb, and then
I think we both
his
messed up a bit.
fingers, just like that. And another one there for his other finger, and then we're going to curl it
Always
round
make
into his
sure
body.
You need to pause the video as you do.
Yes, exactly. Take your time if you need to. There's no rush. It's just about having fun. And don't worry how they turn out. It's all about the fun. Right. Do his fingers on his hands, just like that. This is like Minecraft version. It's really good.
Oh, it looks hilarious though.
And then we're going to curl the bottom of the arm in just like that. Okay, and now I'm going to do his tummy. So
I'm doing a Minecraft version now.
he's got a big round bit on his tummy, isn't he?
Yeah.
So I'm going to draw it just like
I have
that.
to do a square because I'm
yeah.
doing a Minecraft.
Ah,
This was not meant to be a Minecraft one, but it turned out to a Minecraft one.
he's done a great job. We're going to do the circle just like that, and now I'm going to do his leg, so it's going to curve around just like that, and then
Oh,
stop
funny.
there so that we can put the claws on.
Yeah.
There's one claw, and then we're going to do another claw, and then we're going to do another one just next to that, just
No,
like
you dodged
that.
it.
And now we're going to curve the back of his leg from his bum here, curving around, and it's going to go into his leg just there, just like that. And then I'm going to draw his tail, and I'm going to have to draw it a bit raised so I can fit it in just behind him. So we're going to curl up, go behind his fingers, and then we're going to draw the top bit of his tail as well, going through his arm there. And it kind of narrows at the base, doesn't it? So we'll do that, and then we need to make it look 3D, so we're going to add another little line just next to the bottom one here, curving around as well, just like that. And then I'm going to finish his other leg first, I think, and then I'll go back to his tail. So it's going to curl around here, and then we're going to bring out his leg from the side as well, and it's going to go underneath like that, and then curl round. And then I can draw his toes again. So finish his leg there, and then we're going to draw his little claws, and they're going to be sharp. His kind of like a dragon lizard, isn't he?
Yeah.
There you go.
That looks funny.
That looks pretty good.
I'm doing a Minecraft version.
I think mine's on a diet. He's a bit skinny.
No, he's not.
Right.
He looks nice.
I'm glad you like him. Right, now I'm going to finish it off by doing the flame. Oh, I like yours. You've already finished.
Oh, that's funny.
And then we're going to go up, and then we're going to do the top bit of one bit of the flame, and then it's going to come up into a stronger, bigger flame just there. And I'm going to curl it round, and then the last bit here. And then one last little curve until it's like that, and it curls back round onto the other side of the tail, just like that. I think I'm going to make these slightly longer, just like that.
My tree looks softly skinny.
There you go. And just like that, we're good to go.
Daddy.
Let's colour it in.
Well, it looks like a water bottle.
Are you ready to colour in?
Yes!
Let's go.
So guys, this is how they turned out.
What do you think? Leave a comment down below to let us know what you want to see next time. Thanks for watching.